going on?
Eastern Monmouth and Western Monmouth. West.
Bruh.
See the inundation above ground level expected to go on near shorelines and tidal waterways.
Bruh, number one.
Western Monmouth and Eastern Monmouth.
There's another one.
At the moderate flood stage level, widespread roadway flooding occurs.
Why is my
in coastal
AT-54 on
and
top?
along inland tidal waterways. Many roads become
I
impassable.
wonder I don't know how to put it
Some
on
damage to
voice.
vulnerable structures may begin to occur. At the minor flood
someone
stage
help-
level, flooding
someone
begins
tell
on the
me how
most
to put
vulnerable
in-
roads in coastal and
wait.
bayside communities
someone-
and along
can
inland
someone,
tidal waterways. Some partial or
Can
full
someone
road
teach
closures
me
are
how to
possible.
put an
Additional details.
AT-54 on
Minor
voice?
coastal flooding will occur around the times of the high tides from Monday through Tuesday night. The greatest impacts are forecast to occur with the Tuesday daytime high tide, when moderate coastal flooding is forecast as a strong coastal storm moves offshore. Take the necessary actions to protect flood-prone property.
I think
If travel is required,
I think
do not
you know
drive
what
around
I'm gonna
barricades
do.
or through water of unknown depth.
Oh! A doubleheader! Another doubleheader! It's another doubleheader! It's another doubleheader!
The following is a coastal flood warning
Yo!
from the National Weather Service.
It's
For
another
the following
doubleheader!
counties, Southeastern Burlington, New Jersey. What?
Bruh!
2 feet of inundation above ground level expected in
Bruh,
low-lying
what is
areas near
happening
shorelines
today?
and tidal waterways. Where? Ocean, coastal ocean, and southeastern Burlington.
Bro, like, what is happening
West,
today?
From 8 a.m. Monday to 3 a.m. Wednesday.
I know, like,
Impact.
what?
At the moderate flood stage level, widespread roadway flooding occurs in coastal and
Bruh.
bayside communities and along inland tidal waterways.
I don't even know what
Many
to
roads
say.
become impassable. Some damage to vulnerable structures may begin to occur.
I guess my EAS capture is
At the
going to be
flood stage
14
level,
now.
Flooding begins on the most vulnerable roads in coastal and bayside communities and along inland tidal waterways. Some partial or full road closures are possible.
What if it becomes a
Additional
triple header?
details. Minor coastal flooding will occur around the times of the high tides from Monday through Tuesday night. The greatest impacts
What if
are
it's a
forecast
triple
to occur
header?
with the Tuesday daytime high tide, when moderate coastal flooding is forecast as a strong coastal storm
Now
moves
my EAS
offshore.
capture is
Take the
14.
necessary actions to protect flood-prone property.
Bruh.
If travel is required, do not drive around barricades or through water of unknown depth.
Unknown death.
Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, issued at 4:10 p.m., Sunday, February 11th. Tonight, north winds around 5 knots early this evening, becoming light
Yep,
and
there it is.
variable.
Coastal
Winds
flood
around
warning.
6 or less. Monday, light wind becoming east around 5 knots in the afternoon.
I don't know why the
Winds
12
around
to
6 or less.
2 isn't going
A
off,
chance of
but
rain in the afternoon.
yeah.